Out here in the wild, survival hinges on your ability to adapt and improvise. When disaster strikes and civilization vanishes, knowing how to scavenge can be life-saving. This is about resourcefulness, about locating and utilizing what others overlook. Finding clean water, safe shelter, or essential supplies becomes a lifeline. In this video, we'll equip you with skills to navigate this new reality. Practical scavenging strategies can give you a fighting chance when the shtf. In a survival scenario, every decision counts. Prioritize water, food, medical supplies, and tools. Clean water is non-negotiable. You can last weeks without food, but only days without water. Canned goods, energy bars, anything that can keep you going. A basic first aid kit with bandages, antiseptic, and pain relievers can be a lifesaver. Tools like a sturdy knife, a multi-tool, and a small shovel can make all the difference. Efficiency and prioritization are key. Focus on essentials to maximize survival. Every item you carry should serve a purpose. Like a predator studies its territory, understand your scavenging grounds. Mark potential gold mines, supermarkets, warehouses, residential areas. Identify nearby rivers, streams, or lakes for water. Always purify water before drinking. Note potential dangers like high crime areas. Your safety is paramount. Minimize risk. Knowledge is power in survival. Timing can be crucial in scavenging. Scavenge during daylight hours for better visibility and safety. Early morning is often best, fewer people and cooler temperatures. Avoid scavenging at night, darkness hides dangers. If you must scavenge at night, use a reliable flashlight. Move slowly and deliberately to avoid mistakes. When scavenging, less is more. A heavy pack will slow you down and make you a target. Choose a durable backpack and pack essentials. Multi-tool, flashlight, first aid kit, water purifier, and defense. Keep your backpack's weight below 20% of your body weight. You'll find more supplies, so don't carry everything from the start. Prioritize and be smart about what you carry. Be one step ahead by looking for overlooked places. Vending machines can be a good source of food. Office break rooms might have coffee, tea, or snacks. Check vehicles for emergency supplies like blankets or toolkits. Always check a vehicle's trunk if it's safe. Successful scavenging is about seeing potential where others don't. In survival, be flexible with food. Don't dismiss items past their best by date. Many remain edible. Use your senses to check for spoilage, bulging cans, foul smells, or mold. Trust your instincts. If something seems off, move on. Better safe than sorry, but salvage what you can. Flexibility can mean the difference between sustenance and starvation. One man's trash is another man's survival gear. Look at objects with a survival mindset. A shower curtain can be shelter or rainwater collector. Empty tin cans can be cooking vessels. An old tire can be heat-resistant sandals. Adaptability and creativity boost survival chances. Scavenging in a post-collapse world is risky. You're dealing with unknown territory and desperate people. Wear protective clothing, boots, gloves, and a mask. Assess a building's structural integrity before entering. Look for cracks, loose bricks, or instability. If in doubt, don't go in. A scavenging checklist is essential under pressure. It helps you stay focused and organized. Divide your checklist into categories: water, food, medical, tools, clothing. Laminate it or keep a digital copy on your phone. This way it withstands the elements. Organization maximizes efficiency and success. Scavenging isn't just about man-made objects, nature provides too. Familiarize yourself with common edible and medicinal plants. Dandelions are edible, plantain has antiseptic properties, carry a pocket field guide or use a plant identification app. Knowing what you can and cannot eat is crucial. Find water in urban or suburban environments. Water heaters, rain barrels, and toilet tanks hold potable water. Always purify water before drinking. Boiling, purification tablets, or portable filters are essential. Never assume water is safe without purification. Water is life. Find and purify it. Information is valuable when society collapses. Prioritize survival books and manuals over entertainment. Look for survival guides, first aid handbooks, and maps. Old Boy Scout manuals and gardening books are treasures. Knowledge is a sharp survival tool. Equip yourself with practical information. Protect your gathered supplies. Establish a secure base. Choose a hidden defensible location. Organize supplies using shelves or bins. Maximize space and access. A well-organized base camp is secure. Numbers increases survival chances. Your key to survival. You've got the tools and knowledge to navigate after the shtf. It's about adaptability, resourcefulness, and an unyielding will to survive. Mastering these strategies provides a lifeline for thriving in a post-collapse world. Preparation, adaptability, and caution are key. Trust your instincts and never give up.